Making a cake.
Let's learn English. My class, your class.
Today I will learn how to make a cake with Grandma. Would you like to come with us? Let's start with the ingredients. 2 cups of flour. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Half teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Half a cup of butter. 1 cup of sugar. 1 cup of milk. 2 large eggs. Now, we will learn how to make a cake. Turn on the oven. Grease the pan. Open the box and pour into the bowl. Pour the powder into the bowl. Pour the milk into the bowl. Take the spoon and mix. Mix. Pour the salt into the bowl. Pour the sugar into the bowl. Crack the eggs into the bowl. Put the butter into the bowl. Take the spoon and mix. Mix. Pour the batter into the pan. Pour. Put in the oven and bake. Bake a delicious cake. Would you like a piece of our delicious cake?
What about subscribing my channel?